Good morning, students. Hello. Now we are in our ninth lecture. That means we will start chapter decimal today. That means after practice exercise 2.3, we are starting decimals today. That means decimals. Decimals. This is a new exercise for you. First of all, we have to explain decimal. That means what is decimal? Firstly, we have to discuss about this. Then, decimals are special fractions. Decimals are special fractions that have 10 or multiples of 10 as their denominator. This is the definition of decimals. Decimals are the special fractions that have 10 or multiples of 10 as their denominator. That means, suppose example 3.6, 3.87. That means these are in decimal form. And when we write it in fraction, then it will in this form. And when it is removed, when decimal is removed to write in fraction, then here exist two zeros. That means we can see that here 10, here 100. That means this is 10 and this is multiples of 10. So it is clear that decimals are the special fractions that have 10 or multiples of 10 as their denominator. We can easily see here that here 10 is in the denominator form and here 100 is in the denominator of this digit So decimals are the special fractions that have 10 or multiples of 10 as their denominator. Okay. Now we discuss about like decimal. It is in two forms. That means one is like decimals and the other is unlike decimals. Okay. Firstly, we will discuss about like decimals. That means what is like decimal? This is the first form of decimal. This is the first part of decimal. And like decimals are two or more numbers with the same number of places of decimal. Like decimals are two or more numbers with the same number of places. Same number of places of decimals. Okay. That means like decimal are two or more numbers with the same number of places of decimals. Suppose This is 8.68. This is 8.93. Okay, these two are, that means for comparing like decimals, for understanding like decimals, we have minimum two numbers and this is compared with each other. That means here we see that after decimal two numbers, here exist two numbers after decimal and here exist two numbers after decimal. That means so like decimal shows that two or more numbers with the same number of places of decimal, that means number of places of decimal must be equal. That means here two numbers are exist. Here also two numbers are exist after decimal. So this is in like decimal. Okay. And the other example is 7.3426, 8.5328. Okay, here we see that after decimal four number are exist. That means here also four number exist. That means here exist four number after decimal and here exist four number after decimal. So these are in like decimals. Okay, after this we will discuss about unlike decimals. So firstly we have to wipe our boards. Now we discuss unlike decimals. Unlike decimals. And for unlike decimals, we also have two numbers. That means we also compare it with two decimals. Then it can be said that unlike decimals are two or more numbers with different number of places of decimals. Yes, this is unlike decimals. Unlike decimals are two or more numbers. That means it can also compare with each other. So we have two numbers with different number of places of decimal. That means the places, suppose we can understand it with an example, 8.63 and the other number is 5.6857. It is in like decimal or in unlike decimals. We have to understand this. So we can see here that here exist two digits after decimal, but here exist four digits after decimal. Okay, but we have to, if this number is like decimals, so this must be equal. Here two numbers exist after decimal, so here must be exist two decimals, then it is in like decimal. But here exists, here four number exist, but here two number exist, here four number exist after decimal, so this is in unlike decimals. Okay, the second example is 5.4 6.36. That means here exists only one number after decimal, but here exists two number after decimals. So this is in unlike decimals. Okay. Note we have to understand that unlike decimal can easily be converted into like decimals. Unlike decimals can easily converted into like decimals by putting number of zeros after decimal. Okay, that means unlike decimals can be changed into like decimals very easily. Suppose 8.63 and the second number is 7.486. That means if you had to change, this is in the form of a like decimals, okay, because here exists two digits after decimal, but here exists 3 digits after decimal. So if you want to change it into like decimals, then we can use zeros after decimals, and then it can be changed easily into like decimals. Suppose here exists 2 digits and here exists 3 digits after decimals, and we can, that means the rule is that can easily converted into like decimals by putting number of zeros after decimal. That means here if we put 1 0, then it is converted into like decimals. That means here it is in unlike decimals. Unlike decimal, but if we put, that means here 3 digits but here 2 digits, and if we put 1 0 after this, then this will change into like decimals. That means 8.63 0 7.486. That means now it is, here exists 3 digits after decimal and here also exists 3 digits after decimal, so it is changed into like decimal. Okay, have you any problem? If you have any problem, then you will ask on my mobile number. Okay, then these are the definitions. You have to remember all this. Please, you note all this in your CW copy and remember all these rules. Okay, in our next classes we will start practice exercise 2.4. okay, thank you.